Hello again, my name is Sammy. Today I'm going to show you another way of factoring trinomials with leading coefficients, not using decomposition. So this way is a bit faster. It takes half of the time doing decomposition, so just bear with me here. I'm just getting used to using this tablet and using technology. I'm old school, paper and pen, but please bear with me. So question number 1, 3x squared plus 4x minus 4. So what we do to factor this is basically we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give us negative 12, the 3 times the negative 4, and add to give us this number right in the middle, the coefficient of x, which is the 4. So now the two numbers that would do that for me are 6 and negative 2. So we come here and we write two set of brackets, and we basically stick the plus 6 with the x there and the minus 2 with the x in there. It doesn't stop here though, and the reason is because we have a leading coefficient with the x squared, that's 3. This 3 now we have to bring it down and divide this 6 by the 3 and the negative 2 by the 3. And the final answer would be x plus 2, because 6 divided by 3 is 2. But here you cannot divide 2 by 3, so what you do, just take that x right, that 3, sorry, and stick it right by the x there. So it becomes 3x minus 2. Close the bracket. This is the first question, and this is the answer to the first question. Okay. I'm gonna erase this, give you another example, example number 2, just to give you a chance to get used to this method. As I said, it's a lot faster, so if you're writing a test and time is critical, I think it's way faster than using decomposition. So here's the second example. 5x squared minus 12x plus 4. So again, we multiply the 5 and the 4. 5 times positive 4, so that multiplies to give me 20. And it adds to give me that middle number right by the x there, which is negative 12. The two numbers, you could think about this, but the two numbers are basically negative 10 and negative 2, because negative 2 times negative 10 give me positive 20, and negative 2 plus negative 10 will give me negative 12. Again, we put two set of brackets with an x here, and that's minus 10 and x minus 2. Sorry, that's a 10 there. So let me just erase this. Again, as I said, I'm just getting used to technology. So let me make that look a bit clearer there. Yeah, I'm better with paper and pen. So x minus 10 there. So once we write this, again, it doesn't stop there, because we have a 5 right in front of the x squared, so that 5 now has to come down, and we divide this 10 by 5 and this 2 by 5, which gives me x minus 2 for the first one, because 10 divided by 5 is 2. However, this doesn't divide, so we stick the 5 in front of the x, minus 2, and that's the final answer for that question. Third example and final one. So again, just give me a second here. Oops. erase. There we go. And now the third example is 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. Again, same thing, we go 6 divided by negative 10 is multiplies to give me negative 60 and adds to give me positive 11. Basically adds to give me the coefficient of x, the number in the middle right there. The two numbers are 15 and negative 4. Multiply to give me negative 60 and add to give me positive 11. So now we go x plus 15, the two numbers that we gotten, and x minus 4, and close the bracket. Again, it doesn't stop right there. We have to go and look at the coefficient of the x squared, which is 6. That means we have to divide both numbers here by 6. Now, none of these numbers divide evenly in that number on top. So what we do, if we could reduce the two numbers, we have to reduce them. So as you see, 3 goes into the 6 and goes into the 15. It goes into 6 twice. It goes into 15 3 times. Sorry, it goes into 15 5 times. Okay, 5 times. Let me just erase that and make that a bit clear for you. Eraser. So 3 again goes into 6 twice and goes to 15. It goes into 15 5 times. And here, if you look at these two numbers, they reduce by 2. 2 goes into 4 twice, goes into 6 3 times. So our final answer will be, again, this 2 on the bottom, we have to stick it right in front of the x, so 2x plus, and the 5 on top stays on there, and then this 3 we have to stick it in front of the x, so it becomes 3x plus, or sorry, minus 2. So this is your final answer. I hope you like this method of factoring trinomials with leading coefficient. As I said, it takes half of the time of doing decomposition, so it will help you save time writing tests. I hope you enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you, and I'll see you later.